we picked this mele? Well, first, because of where it was at, because of what it was about. I grew up on Puʻawaina, so I'm pili to that area. My family still resides there, so that's one special reason why we chose this number. On the other hand, Pauline had asked us, before to perform in this, and we've always done kahiko. And this is the first time she said we had to do awana. Well, coincidentally, we had just taught our girls this number. So, I told Sky, wow, we have to do awana now. So we both said, why don't we just do Kewalo Uka? That sounds good. So, and that's the reason why we did it. Sometimes when we do things like that, I always like to find a reason why we chose to do that, because I like to make sure that it's like, it just has some kind of connection to what we're doing. And coincidentally, I was in this Oli class that we were learning a chant about Kalikolehua. And in the research, I had to do some research, and I researched this mo'olelo of Moana Lua. And coincidentally, Kekua I Poiva E Lua had a luau. And this chant was performed for her on Puʻawaina. Now, how relevant that is to us doing this number, that I found that connection, and that's like my moment that I thought, okay, this was a good song for us to choose.
The name of our song is Kewalo Uka, and it was written by Jonah Solatorio. Beautiful song, beautiful song. We chose that song because when I first heard it, Keoho singing, it was just so olu olu. Yeah, and I told myself, I need to choreograph that song. It just meant so much to me. So in talking to Jonah on what it was about, Kewalo Uka was written for his mama. And Kewalo Uka is one of the ili. So it's Kewalo Uka, it's Papakolea, and it's Kalavahine. Kewalo Uka is in the poli of both of those ili. Yeah, so that's for his mama. His mama's favorite flower was pikake. Then Papakolea is for his father. Yeah, and his father represents the Puamelia, which is all over in Papakolea, and everybody knew his father. Now, Kalavahine is for his grandmother, and she's the one who protects everyone all over. Yeah, because there's a little story about Kalavahine, about an older woman that protected all that was around her. So that's why he wrote Kalavahine for her. But it's a beautiful number, olu olu, and hopefully we will portray that in our dance.